Ag PhD full episodes and more are now available on Acres TV, the newest ag platform connecting you to fields of information. Look for us on watchacrestv.com.
Here at Ag PhD, we just feel like we have been super blessed over the years. Thanks for watching our show, maybe for all 26 years we've been on TV now. But anyway, things have turned out great in our farm and everything that we've done business-wise. So we have done everything we can to try to give back over the last few years. And one of the ways we do that is we host a scouting and scholarships event. This year we're going to give away over 100 college or post-secondary scholarships. And our event is Saturday, June 29th.
Well, the cool thing about scouting and scholarships is it's not a lecture. We get out in the field and actually do some hands-on work. We dig in the soil and we show some things going on below ground. We talk about taking soil samples and then everything that you can do below ground to manage the crop before we start looking at some of the oftentimes thought to be more exciting things above ground.
Well, one of the things at schools across the United States is it just feels to us like agriculture and agriculture education hasn't been the priority. So that's why we do all the things that we do, whether it's TV, radio, magazine. We're just trying to put out good information all the time. And I get that this is just a one-day event, but nevertheless, being in the field, hands-on, and we'll have a number of other agronomists there, so it'll be smaller groups and things like that. So we're super excited about the opportunity to spend a day with college-age people. But on top of that, we'd love to have you join us as well. I don't care if you're 18, 48, 88. We'd love to have you with us that particular day. How can you beat spending a day with young people talking about agriculture?
Well, it's pretty hard to beat that excitement of young people who are just burning to get involved in agriculture. There's lots of technology right now and then lots of basics out there to learn as well. So join us for the Ag PhD Scouting and Scholarships event.
Yep, just go to agphd.com. So if you're going to win a scholarship that day, you have to pre-register, you have to attend the entire day. We've got our few list of rules that we've got on the website. But anyway, again, Saturday, June 29th, Ag PhD Scouting and Scholarships.
Well, one thing I hope you don't see at the Scouting and Scholarships event is our Weed of the Week. Can you identify this week's weed?